Hello everyone. Today I would be showing you in the update instructions of Plotagon 1.7.0 for the scenes and characters. To make Plotagon 1.7.0 load scenes and characters on PC using Visual Studio Code, you must redirect the app's network calls away from the decommissioned official servers and direct them to a local API server running on your computer. Because Plotagon 1.7.0 was built on Unity, it requests scenes and characters in the form of Unity asset bundles via HTTP/HTTPS endpoints. So without further ado, here is the step-by-step workflow to build and run a local workaround environment directly in VS Code. Step 1. Set up your environment in VS Code. Open VS Code. Open a new terminal control and verify you have node.js installed by running. Bash a node v. Create a project directory for your server mock. Bash mgr Plotagon local server cd Plotagon local server npm init y npm install express. Step 2. Write a local mock server. Create a file named server.js in VS Code and paste the following code. This sets up endpoints mimicking Plotagon's legacy asset server. JavaScript const express require express const path require path const app express const port 80// standard http port app.s express.json // log incoming requests from Plotagon to inspect endpoint paths app.use rec res next console.log Plotagon request rec.method rec.url next / mock asset manifest catalog endpoint app.get/a.p.i/assets/v1/rec res.json status success assets / return JSON metadata mapping asset IDs to bundle file locations / serve local asset bundles scenes characters clothing app.use/bundles express.static path.joiner name bundles app.listenport console.log Plotagon mock server listening on port. Step 3. Redirect Plotagon network calls hosts. Redirect Plotagon 1.7.0 tries to reach domain names like api.plotagon.com or cdn.plotagon.com. You need your system to send those requests to your local VS Code server 127.0.0.1 instead. Open VS Code as administrator. Go to File, Open File and open the Windows hosts file located at c.windows system32 driver set hosts. Add the following lines to the bottom of the file. Plaintext 127.0.0.1 api.plotagon.com 127.0.0.1 cdn.plotagon.com 127.0.0.1 assets.plotagon.com. Save the file. Step 4. Add legacy asset bundles to your local server. For Plotagon to actually render scenes and characters, it needs valid Unity asset bundle files compiled for the specific Unity version. Plotagon 1.7.0 was built on typically Unity 5.x. In VS Code, create a folder structure inside your project. Plotagon local server /bundles /place pre-extracted legacy bundle or Unity 3D file scenes, character models, morph targets, and textures inside the bundles directory. Run your server in the VS Code integrated terminal. Bash node server.js. Step 5. Patch SSL/TLS certificate verification if required. If Plotagon 1.7.0 forces HTTPS connections, requests to https://127.0.0.1 https://127.0.0.1 will fail due to SSL handshake errors. You can handle this in VS Code. Option of proxy in node.js. Extend server.js using Node's HTTPS module with a self-signed local certificate generated via OpenSSL. Option B. Binary patching via VS Code hex editor. Install the official hex editor extension in VS Code. Open plotagon.x or assembly chart.dll inside Plotagon data/managed/. Search for string instances of https:// pointing to Plotagon's domains and edit them to http:// so the app communicates over plain HTTP to your server without throwing certificate errors. And finally, launch and monitor keep node server.js running in your VS Code terminal. Launch Plotagon 1.7.0. Watch the VS Code terminal output to monitor missing endpoints. When you open the scene or character selector, you will see output like .plotagon request. Get /v1/characters/manifest.json update server.js to return the appropriate JSON responses and serve the corresponding asset files from your bundles folder until the characters and scenes appear in the Plotagon UI. And there you've had it. Good job for getting some more assets. If this update is still not working like the first one, then try reediting it and relaunch it. Okay, that's all for this video, and stay tuned for more Plotagon 1.7.0 videos, until I have all the assets with no more further issues. Anyways, this is HMT 2011 saying goodbye.